I'm sure you're also all believers of their talents. What can you say about their performance?
Alam mo, Eralyn, ngayong gabi may nagsisisi. May nagsisisi ditong coach na si Coach Zach na pinakawalan ka niya because you did so well on that stage. Palakpakan naman natin muna si Era. Grabe. The things that we worked on in rehearsal, which is basically yung nag-elevate yung feelings, nag-escalate yung feelings mula sa simula. Kumbaga, hindi mo muna binigay lahat. Tapos, dinala mo kami dun sa journey hanggang dun sa dulo ng song, talagang na-captivate mo kami and you did that so well tonight with that performance. And it's not something that sounds like Adele, it sounds like Eralyn. So palakpakan natin si Era. And, well, ang daming kong gusto sabihin for Audrey's, mula nung lumapit ka dito, parang lahat kami napapasandal sa upuan kasi sobrang powerful kung paano mo kinanta yung Believer. But more than that, yung noon sa practice, which is yung inaral natin yung mas better na diction para mas malinaw yung mga salita. We really can tell that you worked hard on it. And sobrang meron kayo pareho na X factor. Meron kayo nung talagang solid na, sobrang mahirapan tayo mag-decide.
Coach Paolo, Coach Miguel, don't worry. May oras pa. You still have time to decide dahil pakikinggan muna natin ang next team at yun ang team ni Coach Julie. And I think her kids are ready to show what Jules Squad is made of. So the sing-offs will continue when the Voice Kids returns.